never get away because it's always tutu on. It's like hello and goodbye. Hello and goodbye. Were you know what? I was looking for your skis down there to see if you were inside. Did you take a break?
Oh, no, not yet. On that side,
But yeah.
Joe, so
But we'll ski, Joe. Whatever you want to do, I'll ski with you. And these guys can go.
Did you get some good shots of them?
I think so. I hope the camera was up. Yeah, is it still blinking? You're blinking.
Yeah, you're blinking.
I told him about Babbel, $9.95. What are you going to learn? What language?
All right, Danish.
Good. We got an aunt from Denmark. Wolden Hadelday.
Cool.
How are you?
Cool. I'd love to learn Danish. I know just.
I'd like to have a Danish right now with coffee, but you know.
Where are we going, Joe?
Switchback.
Switchback. Okay.
Switchback. Okay. I can't pull one over on road. He caught me on the Learn to Spike Australia. Can't talk you in it, huh? So Ray was he taught, right?
He's what?
He was a teacher.
Yeah.
So what did he teach? What subject?
Well, the last I knew, he was doing courses for community college, like an adjunct.
Yeah.
On World War II history.
Oh, history. Well, that's his story. Trusting. That's what I call it. You can trust it. It's so good you can eat it.
Yes.
I did that on the other run.
Yeah, you fell?
No, there's a mountain where they make the snow out of recycled sewage. They say do not eat the snow there. Sugar bush up north. Sugar bush, I think it's called, right?
There is another one that you can eat, take like wine.
That's when you can eat.
Oh yeah, that comes in handy. You want to ride up behind that, or? Yeah, I think it's called Sugar Bush. I think so. I think it's up in Vermont somewhere. Yeah, look it up. Oh yeah. I skied with them different times. Roby knows them really well. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, thank you. He ain't saying next time use the turnstile.